Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to copy your story link on Instagram. Whether you want to share your story with friends, promote your business, or simply keep a record of your creative moments, copying your story link is a handy skill to have. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and get ready to explore. Once you're in, you'll land on your feed. To access your stories, look for the circular profile picture icons at the top of the screen. Tap on your own profile picture to open up your story. Now that you're viewing your story, it's time to find the link option. Look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where all the magic happens. Tap on those three dots, and a menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, choose Copy Link. This action will instantly copy the link to your story, making it easy for you to share it wherever you like. Whether you want to send it via direct message, post it in another social media platform, or save it for later use, that link is now at your fingertips. Now that you've copied the link, let's talk about what you can do with it. You can paste it into messages or emails to share with friends and followers. If you're a content creator or a business owner, sharing your story link can drive traffic to your profile and engage more viewers with your content. And there you have it. Copying your story link on Instagram is that simple. Just remember, open the app, view your story, tap on the three dots, and select Copy Link. It's a quick process that opens up a world of sharing possibilities. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating social media like a pro. Thanks for watching.